Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I'm coming on with a quick video of how I'm doing pieces to the guest bathroom in my home. Now, I'm going to say up front, I totally messed up this camera. It was out of focus. I messed up this video because it was out of focus. I thought I was showing you guys how I was gluing on the pieces to the tile, and I was not. But here is the first one that I did, and I did this off camera, and then I thought, oh, I need to record this. And as I'm recording, it's completely out of focus. But the other piece that you're seeing there is the kind of the model of what I wanted to do. But then these little beads, the little diamonds, I was gonna add that, and I thought, that's a little bit too much. So I didn't, and I kind of like the result of what it turned out to be. Anyway, I apologize up front that it doesn't show what I'm doing. But what I did do was just use my glue gun and just glued these pieces on. And then I took a ribbon at the end of the towels for the other two and hot glued that as well. So here you go. Enjoy.
Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. For love, yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know?